stylish Craftsman is set serenely upon a beautifully landscaped property. Enjoy the panoramic views with breathtaking sunrises and spectacular sunsets. The open, bright and spacious floor plan features hardwood flooring on both levels of the home. A gracious living room welcomes you as you enter the home with a wood-burning fireplace, a wall of windows, and access to the wraparound covered deck with stunning vistas. The home offers an elegant banquet-sized dining room and a stunning gourmet kitchen appointed with sleek and modern custom cabinetry, granite counters, prep and seating center island, stainless steel appliances. Completing the main level is a mud room/laundry and powder room. The second floor boasts the luxurious primary bedroom suite with a private balcony, wall of windows, walk-in closets, and a sumptuous all-new custom-designed bath and radiant flooring. There are 2 additional bedrooms, a full hall bath with soaking tub and separate shower, and a relaxing den/4th bedroom with exceptional lake views. Exquisite in every detail and amenity, this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is ready to entertain on a grand scale. A boathouse with a lakeside cabana walks out onto the dock and sandy lakefront. Gather around the fire pit and enjoy all that waterfront living has to offer in style. A feature sheet with the interior and exterior upgrades as well as a floor plan and survey are available to view. Don't miss your opportunity to vacation where you live with access to major transit, all just 1 hour to NYC.